So I think there's a really big need to be able to take voice and then append that voice onto some sort of a screen sharing. This could be slides, this could be PowerPoint, Canva, Google Docs, anything that's on your screen that you want to show. Typically, what we do in this situation is that we show while we're speaking. So we're going through slides and we're clicking the next button, but then we're also speaking at the same time. The problem with this is that sometimes it's a little bit challenging to speak in a very concise manner because you're kind of focused on the software and the next button and your mouse cursor. So what we recommend to people is to actually just record your voice using your own voice. You can record your voice using your camera on your phone. You can generate voice using AI on Dubb. We actually have a feature called Vera, which allows you to input text and then that can generate voice. Or you can use a third-party tool, like some of the ones that we mentioned, like HeyGen, that allows you to generate a voice, which you can then import into Dubb, and then you can append that onto some screen sharing, so some slides. So a lot of folks are thinking about, how do I go power up my YouTube channel? And then a lot of folks may say, you know what? I've got a face for radio. I don't really feel like being on my YouTube channel. That's absolutely okay. Value can be totally visual in nature. Slides, a presentation, are amazing things to show, or even B-roll if you want to put in the time, B-roll video footage. But my favorite thing to do is just using Canva. You can get a free Canva account. You can incorporate, thumbnails. You can stop photography, stock video clips you can put in here, graphs, charts. You can even use AI to go generate images that would appear on the screen. And then best of all, you have this voice that's going to allow you to create this video that's very visual in nature. And then that video can then go and get uploaded to your YouTube account. You can share it on Dubb via email, SMS, LinkedIn, or any other channel that you like. And it's just completely visual and people will love this. The key here is to get consistent and to do this a lot, whether it's in social, YouTube, or for Dubb. Just get consistent, because if this is your format of choice, all these algorithms are going to want you to do it, at least multiple times a week to get results.
Right. So there's two different methods of what we're talking about. One is if you just have the audio recording, you're going to use the screen recorder here and make sure that it's capturing both. So not just system audio. You need to make sure that it's capturing both, because you're going to be playing the audio like from your mobile device while you're recording the screen. This is the example of the presentation. I'm going to go into the presentation and then I'm going to be able to record. And then while I'm recording, you can see my microphones right here, and it's actually reacting to my voice. And so in this case, I'm going to put my voice recording on my mobile device, whether it's my voice or an AI voice or the Dubb voice. And I'm actually going to play my phone into the microphone while I'm recording the screen. So that's one very easy way to do a voice, a pre-recorded voice over a visual that you're recording in real time. So that way you can focus on just matching the beats, like whatever your voiceover is saying, and you're showing the things. Like historically, guys, using these type of drawing tools have been very, very, if you're trying to talk while showing your screen and doing this, it's quite difficult to do. It's like juggling or something, but without practice. So instead of that, you have the voice or the video, which I'll show in a moment. That's already pre-recorded. So everything that needs to be said is very concise, very direct, very delivered without you having to stumble through things. And you're able to just come show the visuals while the audio is actually recording. So like I would, in the full example, I'm actually going to go into my library right now, and I'm going to play this voice audio so I'm going to press record. Seconds. Let's do it. Here's how it works. Write a teleprompter script using AI with one click. Okay. And then so now I'm going to have my video here with the audio that I recorded previously. So this is one method for how you guys can take an existing audio file and add it to a visual. Now, there's another method for this, guys. We talked about the whole HeyGen 11 Labs, or using an avatar, or using even your own video. There's a whole nother feature here built out for what we call the narrator. Now, this is when you've actually recorded the video. So this can be an AI video. It can be a video of you. It could be the clone of you from something like HeyGen. Any of those options will work for this. But this is actually a full video, not just the audio. So here is the video that I previously recorded. And now when I go to do my slideshow, I'm going to be right here talking throughout the entire video. So my audio, my video, my personal video, that's all already recorded. So now instead of focusing on what I'm going to say, what I'm looking like, what my gestures are, I don't have to do any of that. And I can press play here or record. And
Hey
now
there, it's Darius. I just wanted to put a quick face to the name, make this video for you. And the reason why I actually wanted to share this video is because to this, you're going to find.
So again, I'm going to be talking there in my pre-recorded video while I'm actually showing the visuals again. So whether it's a voice that you want to incorporate into a new visual or a pre-recorded video of an avatar, of a clone of yourself, this is what these features are designed to do, to help you reduce the amount of practice it takes to multitask, right? To try to record and show stuff at the same time. And you can see here, I'm actually able to maintain eye contact. I'm able to actually speak directly to you while I'm showing my stuff on the screen here. So there's multiple benefits of this type of use case, reduce the complexity, allow you to focus and stay engaged with your audience, or allow you to incorporate pre-recorded elements like voice, AI, avatars, clones, or videos into new visuals. So this is really changing the game on integrating your AI generated stuff with your human generated items and objects, all to help you guys be more efficient and more effective in leveraging these cutting edge technologies. And that's it.
I think the ultimate unlock here is to use AI to write the script. That's my favorite thing to do.
Right. If you're ever at a stump, just come into one of our tools and use the AI to actually generate your script. We do recommend the human pass, right? Do some sort of human revision on it. Whether it's video or script or whatever's being written, I always do recommend going and doing a pass on it, right? Like before your AI video is generated, preview it, listen to it, make sure the script is what you want to hear. Or if it's just a script, before you're recording it, read through it, make sure it sounds comfortable for you or how you would speak. But always do some human revision on your AI stuff, at least this time. Maybe in a few years from now, or even a year, we'll be able to just totally trust it and not even have to double check it. But at this time, we're still recommending to definitely double check all of your AI outputs.